How to change Payoneer account. If you forgot or if you want to change, today we will learn both of them. First, how to change password. Go your Payoneer account. Click on the profile icon. Click on setting. Click on security setting. Click on change. Here make sure you must know your current password if you want to change. Then create a new password. Click on change. To complete the process, click on sign out. Now they sent you a code on your Gmail address. Open your Gmail and enter your code. Now your password has been changed. Now if you forgot your password, follow this step. Click on Forgot Password. Here we have two options. You want to receive the code on phone or through email. I will select email, because my phone is not active right now. Click on Reset Password. Now check your inbox. Click on Reset Password. Put your country code and mobile number, your date of birth. Click on Next. Enter your new password. Scroll down. Confirm new password. You are all set, and now click on the like button and do subscribe the channel.